everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover Monopoly Go account. So if you also want to recover Monopoly Go account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Monopoly Go application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So if you want to recover Monopoly Go account, first of all, keep in mind that if you have been playing Monopoly Go with a guest account, you'll not be able to recover it because that account is a temporary account. But if you had connected Monopoly Go account with Facebook, Apple or Google, you'll be able to recover your account. So in order to recover your account, all you have to do is go to menu. For that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now the menu will appear. At last, you'll be able to see the option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now settings will be opened. You can see several options over here. Language, notifications, customer service and legal. All you have to do is tap on the customer service option. Now customer service will be opened. You can see several articles over here. What you have to do is tap on any article of your choice. Again, it will lead you to another categories of article. Tap on any category. Scroll down. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for chat with us. All you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for the chat box to load. Now you can see over here the chat box for customer service is opened. You can write your message over here. Tap on the message box. Now tell them that you want to recover your account. Wait for them to reply. Now all you have to do is respond to everything that they ask. After that, they will look into your matter and then you'll be able to get your account recovered. So that is how you recover Monopoly Go account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.